Hello guys, what's up? I am Aravan. Welcome to another video. Today's we are going to make a deer negative space logo in an easy way. Don't skip the video. Every part of the video is important. Let's begin. Choose any artboard size and pixel and make sure the color mode is RGB. Find deer photos on unsplash.com. Here you can get higher resolution photos for free. I choose this photo cause I think it's perfect for negative space in D. Now drag this photo in the artboard and fix to position, then lock the photo layer from the layer panel. You can find this panel right side of the artboard or find it from Windows. Now with the pen tool draw the outline of the deer. Make sure to set the fill color to none and stroke to be white. After creating a deer outline, hide the photo layer and make a shape of D. Drag the deer outline in D and make it S perfect position. Then draw 4 circles of the same size and scale them. After that, use a divided pathfinder to divide each shape. By Shape Builder tool, makes negative space for logo and colors them. then it's finish. To look better view we use the photo as background. Always remember the looks of the logo depending on its presentation. So first unhide the photo and make a clipping mask. After that we use a gradient over the photo. For that, create a rectangular adjustment with the photo and apply the gradient to it. How is it? Drop your valuable comment, and if any questions, ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all.